Hi everyone, welcome to Nexup Academy. So in our last video we have learned how to purchase the domain and hosting and how to set up the domain and hosting in your GoDaddy account. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a webmail or business mail from your GoDaddy account. So for that you just have to come to GoDaddy and sign in into your GoDaddy account. Okay, and just scroll down to the web hosting section and click on the manage option. Okay, now you can see that there is a cpanel admin button, so I just have to access my cpanel to create the business mail, so I just have to click on this button. Okay, right now I'm in my cpanel, so you just have to scroll down to the email section. Okay, so in this part you can see that there is an option called email accounts, so you just have to click here. Okay, you can see that I have already created a business mail called contact@nextupacademy.co.in. Okay, but we have to add a new email account, so I'll just create with it name of info@nextupacademy.co.in. So I just have to write info and the rest part is already filled up, and now I have to set a password for my email account. So I have to re-verify the password again. Okay, so you can see that my password is verified. Next thing is the storage amount I want to allocate to my business email. You can set the amount you want to give to the business email by just clicking on this option. You can increase or decrease the storage amount. To be on the safe side, I'll just click on the unlimited option. Okay, and I'll just click on the create account. Now you can see that my business email has been created. You can also check your business email by clicking on the email accounts. Here you can see that my business email is created. As your business email is created, now you want to access the business email, so you again want to come into this section. Okay, so I'll show you the process from where you can come back into this portion. Okay, so that you can access your business email, you just have to scroll down, come back to the email section again and click again on the email accounts. Okay, you can just see right here email I have just created and just click on the access webmail. Okay, right now you can see that basically there are three options, so I'll just select Holiday as my default webmail application. Okay, so I'll just set this as default and click on this icon. Okay, so I'll just click on Holiday. Okay, right now here you can see that there is currently a welcome email in my webmail account. This is sent by GoDaddy. This is the inbox. By right clicking on this new message, you can send email to anyone you want. Subject test. Okay, I have entered my personal Gmail. The subject is test and the message is hi. Now I just have to click on the send button. Okay, the email has been sent, and whenever I want to access my webmail, there is also a different method. Okay, so I'll just show you how to access your webmail through another method. First you have to type in your domain name and type slash webmail. Okay, and after clicking the enter button you will just redirect it to the login page. Okay, so you can see my email address is already filled up. I just have to enter my password. You can see that I am back into my webmail application, that is Hode. So this is another method of accessing your webmail without going into the cpanel. Okay, so and one last thing. Okay, you can see that the mail I have sent has came into my personal Gmail account. So my webmail is working, And another last thing I want to show you is that whenever you create a new email, just come back here to the email routing section, okay, and click on this email routing and select this local mail exchanger, okay. If any other option is selected, just change it to local mail exchanger, okay, because sometimes the issue might come that the mail is will be not come to your inbox, okay. So if you change it to local mail exchanger, then everything will work fine, okay. And just select this and click on this change button, and now you can see that my email are going, okay. Now I have to check the if the email are coming into my webmail or not. For that, I'll just log in. I'll just open my Gmail account. I'll send I have entered my business mail. I'll just type in it, the test, and in message I'll say hello Nexop Academy, and I'll just click the send button. Let's wait for some time till the mail arrives. Okay, the mail which I have sent from the Gmail has arrived. So you can see that I am able to send my mail using my business email, and also I am receiving the mail in my business email. So everything is working fine. This is it for this video. In the next video, we are going to learn how to integrate this business email with your Gmail account. Hope you guys to see you in our next video. Goodbye. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to Nexop Academy channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever the new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.